This is Miss Beta again. I have a channel on YouTube I got by Miss Beta, and I hope everyone is doing okay. I am here today at her place called Bird Kingdom. I just want to share some content with you guys, and I'm at the border of US and Canada, as I said before in my previous video. Okay, so that's US over there, and this is Canada. That's a rainbow bridge that separates US and Canada, and the water falls and the water goes around it, the river all the way down. And so let's go and see the birds. The place called Bird's Kingdom, so they have all kind of birds from different countries, and I'm just gonna experience with you guys. Okay, let's go and see, you know. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Here we go. All right, let's go. The parking lot. I didn't come back here because you have to pay. Okay, that's the door. So the place called Bird's Kingdom. So it's just all about birds, and I can take a selfie. That looks nice. Okay, the weather is not bad today. It's cold, but I think it's hold on, let me ask Google what the weather today. Hey Google, what's the weather today in Niagara Falls?
It'll be cloudy with a high of 9 and a low of 6. Right now it's 7 and cloudy.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. So it's just 7, like +7. Okay. Oops. Oh, the door is closed. Okay. What time? Oh, 9:30. Don't get it. Let's do the other door. Okay. This place. Again, that's a rainbow bridge. Let's go here. Okay, just want to show you guys the other side. It looks like so. It's really nice. It's so green. They have a lot of plants. And here I think where people just sit and have maybe a snack or break or something. It's a nice place. Okay, so here's where you're going to. So restroom, administration, and tickets. I think ticket here is $27. You are able to feed the birds and to just look around. The place is huge, like it's really huge. This here is what is happening on these dates, December, all that. So all this here are to experience here in Niagara Falls, I believe. Yeah. So with the birds.
Yeah, sit there though. Maybe there's some bird food.
And then you come here. There's so much. Skipping. Oh, this is winter activities.
I saw a little smile there. I saw one.
I think I showed you some winter activities. I have never done. I've been here for like so long. I've never done any winter activity. This time I'm gonna try to shoot some videos and do some winter activities. And here, just flyers for like different businesses, you know. Oh, actually, it's what is happening here in this place. And here's where you pay for your ticket. It's Christmas time, as you guys know. The decorations are everywhere. Okay, so So I'm just gonna go in, buy my ticket, and then I'll see what's inside. All right. Alright guys, we are back again. I was showing you this Brazilian Panama native frog, and then we are coming here. So the place, this place is dark guys, really dark. It says look down if you dare. I'm not gonna look down. You guys tell me what is in there. I don't even know what is in there. Hell no, I'm not looking at. This place looks a bit scary. Exhibition under construction. Okay. Here we have gecko. Oh no, we don't have this. Oh, we don't have this. I'm not looking. I don't like snakes, guys. I really hate snakes. That's a python. It's right there sleeping. Let's see. It's right here. It's a ball python. Okay. Let's go and see other. What we have here. This is oxalot. It's kind of scary fish with hands. Fish got hands. Yes, it does. Oh my God, this fish has hands. What kind of fish are you? Big head, small eyes. You got gills? Your gills are outside. They look like wings. God damn, you look scary. Let's see what they have here. What is here? I don't see anything. Alright, what they have here?
Bird Kingdom is part of a species survival program for the Egyptian
fruit bat.
Probably the most recognizable feature of bats is that they hang upside down.
You have to listen to that. Where are you, fruit bat? Oh my God, they're over there. They're hanging upside down.
That few other species can get to, so there's less competition for space. Second, the bat's legs aren't strong enough to give them a balance for flight.
Let's go and feed the birds.
is a good way to get your speed really quiet.
Okay, let's go and feed the birds. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. I know some people don't like these kind of things, but I'm just trying to share with you guys. Oh my god. Which one is the door? This? Oh, this. Oh, that one there. What's here? Oh. Oh, there's more birds here. Okay. Alright, let's see what they have here. What's here, birdie? I don't see it. Oh, there you are. Oh, flamingo. Is that a flamingo, guys? Yes, it is. It's a flamingo. Oh. There you are. Hi, cutie. I like your lips. Oh, you have such a beautiful lips. Go on, please. They have the waterfall. Oh, no, you didn't. You did not do that in front of my face. So these are bigger birds. Okay. Ooh! They're not many. Okay, let's go and feed the birds. So here they have green aracari. Green aracari. Okay, we're going back. Oh, where are we going? I have no idea. Is there another door? No. What's the exit? I think you have to go back the same way I came. Yeah. Let's go back quickly and finish this video. Alright, pass through here. Okay. So I can cut this because okay, let's go. I was here. Word. So it's here. Sorry, it's okay, it's okay. How is it? Small by aviary. This is third floor. This is third floor.
Actual. Say it again. Is anyone there? This is Space Camp Actual. I can barely hear you. Say it again, please. Professor, is that you? I'm not receiving. Show me game settings. Listen up. Over.
I was supposed to feed the birds. Where is it at?
So after this floor, you've got the third floor to go through.
Nobody's there.
You have to go through the third floor into the main aviary. So through the small birds, then the nocturnal, then the main aviary.
How do I get
Yeah.
there? Okay, I saw 2 doors and I went through both doors. I didn't see anything.
So you saw this probably the small bird aviary. You have to go
Yes,
through the
I
big
went in
dark
there.
tunnel. Big dark tunnel.
There's a tunnel?
Yes, it's like the nocturnal section.
Let me go
Big
back.
dark. Yeah.
I'll
so
try
through
again.
the small birds, then the nocturnal, then the main.
Okay. Oh, this is so much work. Small bird aviary, okay.
Small bird aviary.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Excuse me, sorry.
Sorry.
Where is it?
Professor Merriweather was flying the Sierra Club, down with small birds. I fear his plane is run down. Does anyone read? Over.
Oh,
Space Camp, go ahead.
what? Just wait a tunnel. Maze run, that's how I feel I'm doing. Big door. Okay, I was here. Okay, I got lost, guys. I don't know where they're telling me to go. I have been here so many times. Okay, I think they say this way. guys, I'm looking for this feed the bird place, but cannot find it. I'm gonna go put it down here. Let's see if I can find it. I've been walking around like a mad woman right now. I'm thinking, oh, this is down here. Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Alright. I think it's here. Oh. What do you go through, here or the other door? Oh, you have to go from here. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go to the bird. Please be aware the bird in this exhibit may hit.
I do need you to take that off,
What's that?
the lanyard that you bought, the lanyard.
Oh, this one
Yes.
here?
Yeah, I'm going to take that.
Okay. Ooh, I have so many things with me.
Perfect. Might as well do it while you're out there and they're not all over you.
Okay.
All right, so just down a little bit further along the fence.
Alright guys, so I'm here. We're gonna feed the birds. Okay, and this is how I look. I wish I can set my camera somewhere.
Don't worry.
Okay.
So you hold that. It's liquid, so not too close to the camera.
Can I
okay?
put this here? I want to use my
They
phone.
might go, not up there, no. They'll knock
Okay.
it over.
It's alright. I will get a good
They
video.
might go to the bathroom. That's the only thing.
Oh,
They
that's
go-
fine.
Okay. I just don't want you to get ruined.
Okay, what's that?
They poop a lot.
Oh, I see that.
This is just nectar I dripped on you, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hi, come on, drink it. Oh, come back. That's so cute. Look at it, guys. The bird is drinking with me. Come on, let's have party, right? What's that? What are you drinking? Where's mine? Look at that. Why only have one bird? Hi. Say hi. What's that? What's that? You finished drinking it? Who's that? So, this is what happened. Me and Birdie. Yeah. Come on, Birdie. Me and Birdie are having fun here. Birdie's drinking, but I'm not drinking. Birdie, I'm thirsty. You want to share, please? Oh, he finished it. He's done it. Oh, good job, buddy. Hi. Look at them, they're everywhere. Oh, they're kissing. Hey. Come on. Want to meet your friend? It's He's under me. Oh my God, they're under me. Yeah. Oh, you're done. It's almost finished. Oh no, you finished it? Don't go, please stay with me. Stay with me. Oh, you left me, Birdie. Yay! Come behind me. Look at him, so cute. Are you fighting or you kissing? Oh, okay, that was a good experience. Thank you so much.
Or sanitizer if you want to re-sanitize.
Okay, like the outside?
It's just nectar, yeah.
I'm good. I'm good.
You're okay?
Yeah, thank you. I'm going home and wash my hands. Thank you so much. That was fun.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Ready?
Alright, guys. Vamos. Exito. Now I'm going home. Where's the exit? Do I go this way? I think the exit this way. Thank you. Oh my god, I touched the bird and I didn't even wash my hands. Japanese tea house. Java? Is it Japanese or Japanese? Japanese tea house. I wanna go see what's in here. Why did they put the P? They put the V. This is the old. Yeah, it's really old Japanese. Maybe before it used to be called Javanese instead of Japanese. What you see before you is a part of original house. Wow, 1875 from the central part of the island Java. Wow, Japanese house of the wealthy. How do I read? It's too much to read. Oh, Japanese. Look at this. Oh, this is pretty, like hand carved. Go ahead, Mama. Yeah, these things are ancient. Oh my god, they're so old. Passenger pigeon. So it's Japan. It's not Japan. We're in Japan. Anyway, I don't see something that's like interesting. It's the water park. And what is here? That's good. If you want a place quiet, maybe to chill, you can come here and chill, I guess. Alright, we're about to end this. Oh, what's this? My hand is wet. I think the bird did something on my jacket. Okay, so we're just leaving Japanese house, Japanese tea house. We're going home. I'm looking for exit. I think the exit is this way. So let's go home. I am hungry, mucho hambre. I need to go home and eat something. All right. So I'm sure washroom, emergency only, staff only. Are you serious? I'm lost again. Oh no, I have to go back all the way up again. Girly, this is not fun anymore. Yeah. I think I have to go back all the way up. If you don't watch out, these birds are gonna be pulling on you. Whoopie birds. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to go back the same way again. And my parking, I think time is expired. I don't know. I paid for 1 hour. I don't think I've been here for an hour. I think I've been here for like 40 minutes. I'm not. Wait. Less than an hour. So I'm gonna go home now. And oh my god, every exit is emergency only. Okay. Alright guys, we're done the video. That was a good walk. It's a little bit of exercising. Let's see what they have here. It was fun. So this is like a souvenir place where you buy things like gifts if you want to bring to people like back home. Everything is about birds here. Birds, cats. This is for Igbo. This is for Igbo people, not for me. Sorry.
Yep. He's leaving. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Okay. Just stuff to buy. Zaka, you want to give someone a gift? And then stuffy animals. It's all stuffy animals. Crocodile, owl. Yeah. Yeah, it's a gift shop. Okay. Go back. Alright, let's go home. Alright, we outside. We outside. We outside. We outside. Alright guys, so oh my god, that was a lot of walk. So I had so much fun, and I'm gonna edit the video because there's so many boring places. I'm gonna have to cut some places. And yeah, look at the sky, so beautiful. Some birds are flying, and that's the falls on that side. That's a rainbow bridge to you guys, and that's America, America, my home, sweet home. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I have 12 subscribers. Anyway, I know I'm growing slowly. Hopefully I will get there. There's no light this way. Yeah, my channel is growing slowly, and I know it takes time. When you start a YouTube channel, some people take 2 years, 3 years, 6 years. Some people is overnight. So it will depend how you post your video, how you record your videos. So I hope I'm trying. Anyway, the beginning is always hard, but I'm trying my best. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe again, like, please share, and that's it. I'm heading home, and I will see you guys on my next video. I can't promise what I'm gonna be doing next because I don't know. I usually go to bed and I'm like, okay, today what am I gonna do? I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna shoot a video in some so place. There's so many places I haven't gone here in Niagara Falls, and I'm planning to go and share with you guys. So that's it, I guess. And it's a bit dark. I'm trying to see if I can get a better light. All right, guys, thank you so much. That's where I came from, and then I'm going to my house. Love you so much, guys. Please subscribe. I said please again. Lela, don't say please, Dada. Don't say please. Kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe and share. And I will see you again in my next video. Ciao. Ciao, Bella.